How to view downloaded videos on YouTube in PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view downloaded videos on YouTube in PC. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device. Here, I have launched my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, type in youtube.com. Then press on enter to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to the official website of YouTube. Here, make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Once you are signed in, you will land on this homepage. And in this homepage, at the left side, you will be able to locate different options. Under this Use section, you'll also be able to see the Downloads option. Simply click on this Downloads, and then here you will be able to see all your downloaded videos which are available for offline viewing. It also says that the downloaded videos remain available as long as your device has an active internet connection at least once every 30 days. If not, you will not be able to access this downloaded video. Also note that downloaded videos are stored locally on the device used for downloading, and it cannot be transferred between devices. You will only be able to view and play this video only in the device you have used for downloading the video. So by following the steps, you should be able to view downloaded videos on YouTube using a PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.